class, Mr. Geisler here today, and today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing negative numbers. So I've posted the rules. You want to write these rules down in your notebook as well. The rules are here. A positive, whether you do multiplying or dividing, excuse me, got a frog in my throat. Sorry about that. A positive times a positive, or a positive divided by a positive, is positive. Okay? A positive times or divide, either or, divided by negative is equal to negative. A negative times or divided by a positive is negative, and a negative times or divided by negative equals positive. One way you could think of this is if the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. Okay? If the signs are different, okay, if one's positive and one's negative, or vice versa, then the answer will be negative. Okay? So those are two different ways of thinking about it. You can have these rules or these rules. So let's take a look at number one. 8 times negative 8. We have a positive times a negative, negative 8. A positive times a negative is a negative, right? So this is going to be negative. 8 times 8 is what? 64. So that would be your answer, negative 64. Number 2, we have some fractions we're going to multiply here. So first of all, let's take care of the sign. A negative times a negative is a what? Negative times a negative is a positive. So therefore, we know the answer is going to be positive. Put a plus there. 1 times 2 is 2. Multiply straight across. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, can we simplify this? Yes, we can. We can divide both of these by what? By 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The answer would be a positive 1/3. Let's take a look at this one. Negative 32 divided by 4. So how many times does 4 go into 32? Okay, let's figure that out. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. I came up with 8, right? And now, is it positive or negative? The signs are different, right? So therefore the answer would be negative 8. Okay? And finally, what's a positive divided by a positive? It is a positive. How many times does 7 go into 42? So let's figure that out. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Goes in 6 times. So the answer here is 6. And that's how you multiply and divide negative numbers.